మీరు మాట్లాడి కనబడలేదు సార్.
So welcome back to today's class. In the last class, you learned the poem and the discussion, the conversation between the duck and the kangaroo. Who felt more in the poem? The duck. Where was the duck? In the pond. How was the pond? It was very, very dirty and it felt bored. So that the duck requested the kangaroo to take a ride to see some important places like Jalli Boli. They are the important visiting places, beautiful places imagined by the poet, isn't it? So now just recalling what you have learned in our previous class. Okay, keep in mind about the conversation between the duck and the kangaroo, and you have to complete the work in the page number 19 of the reader. Some questions are given, some multiple choice questions are given for you. This you must complete and send to me through WhatsApp. Okay, I will the answers and tell you the answers also. Okay, and then now coming to today's class, Little Bobby. It is a C reading from your same text and the same unit, the first unit, C reading. So C reading is generally about stories. These stories are meant for pleasure reading. It is interesting stories, and some of them are humorous stories. Among such stories, the Little Bobby is a story which is a very humorous story. It is a humorous story. What is a humorous story? Which makes laugh, which makes us to laugh. Silly questions sometimes we are asking our parents. We are telling some tales to our friends. They are silly, nothing but humor, which gives us to laugh. So now I will ask you some questions, some general questions. So now there are 30 to 35 participants. One of you may mute your phone and tell me about your name and introduce yourself. Please, one of you introduce yourself to me now. Anyone? Anybody? One of you can mute, unmute, and tell something about you. Hurry up. So first, I will introduce myself. I think there are new students in the group, today's Zoom class. I am observing some of the students, those are attending from our neighboring school. Maybe Aitepalli. I don't know your names. So now I introduce myself. My name is K.S. Dandapani. I am English teacher. I am working in MJPR school, Satyavedu. I am native of Chittor. I have been working in this school for 15 years. I am taking classes for 9th class and 10th class. Last year, I worked as a principal FAC in the same school. And my date of birth is 24th June 1962, isn't it? So this is some information about myself. Do you understand? Now I introduce myself. So what is my name? My name is
Yes.
Dandapani. Which teacher I am? What subject?
English.
English.
Very good. English.
English.
English. Very good. Like that, you have to introduce yourself. Your name is C. Teja. I am studying. I am studying
Which class?
your school, Satyavedu. My native place is Putalapattu. Like this. Isn't it? My father name is so and so. My father is a lawyer.
Farmer.
My father is a doctor. My mother is
Farmer.
engineer. Huh? Or my mother is a housewife, like that. Okay. So now, how old are you? How old are you?
15.
Very good.
15.
You are
14.
15 years old.
14.
Or 14 years old. Okay. According to your date of birth, you will calculate and say that you are 14 years old and your name is maybe Sunny or Bunny. Okay. Huh? And now I will ask you one question. Do you celebrate your birthday? Do you celebrate your birthday?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
We all celebrate your birthdays, isn't it? So now you are saying that you will celebrate your birthday. You are 14 years old, isn't it? Okay. And do you get any gifts? Do you get any gift on your birthday?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you
No,
get
sir.
gifts. You will get some gifts on your birthday. In your school also, last year you were in 8th class, isn't it? Last year you studied in this school in 8th class. So many birthday parties we have celebrated in our school. You
Yes, sir.
called our principal, ADP, and other house teachers, Ram Kumar sir, Suresh,
Postmaster.
Manjuna sir, and others also. Isn't it? You celebrated your birthday in a grander manner. Your housemaster bought you some cake, birthday cake also, isn't it? You put some candles. You know how the birthday cake is, isn't it? Now I will show you the picture. Can you name it? Okay. Now you see in the picture. So what is it? Are you able to see the picture?
Birthday cake.
What is the
Birthday
picture?
cake.
Sir.
The picture,
Birthday cake, sir.
the picture is about the birthday cake. It's a cake made for celebrating birthdays. Also, it is written there. Happy birthday. What do you say?
Happy
When your friend or maybe yourself cut the cake, you say aloud, "Happy birthday to you."
Birthday to you.
Clapping also. And one more picture I will
Yes,
show you, which makes you interested. You see another picture, birthday cake. It is a very tasty, isn't it?
Chocolate cake, sir.
It is another type of cake. See, the candles also there. It is a birthday cake. You are ordering in Satyavedu. Okay. And arranging some kind of celebrations. Some decorations also we are preparing. You will made some flags and festoons, colored papers, lights, cereal sets, something and so on. So this is a birthday function generally we use. Okay. you get some presents also. If it is supposed to be in your house, your relatives, friends, or your mother, father may offer you, may give you some presents, birthday presents. And sometimes you may ask or demand your father or mother. Okay, isn't it? అవునా కాదా? ఇంట్లో
Yes, sir.
అమ్మ కానీ నాన్న కానీ మనము గట్టిగా అడుగుతాం, వార్నింగ్ ఇస్తాం. అమ్మా నాకు ఈ సంవత్సరం ఇది వాచ్ కొనియాలి, అమ్మా నాకు ఈ సంవత్సరం ప్యాంటే కావాలి నాకు, ఆమె దిస్ ఇయర్ బర్త్డే ఐ వాంట్ ఎ రిస్ట్ వాచ్, ఐ వాంట్ ఎ బైక్, ఐ వాంట్ ఎ బైసికల్, ఐ వాంట్ ఎ రింగ్, something we will demand, isn't it? Okay. So now to come to the lesson, see reading. It is a humorous story that I told you. When you listen, you may conclude that it is a humorous story or not. Well, now come to the lesson. If you have readers with you, please look at the page number 20 of the readers. If you have readers with you, please see the page number 20. If you do not have, don't worry, don't bother about it. Now here we are showing the page on the screen, the lesson on the screen. See reading Little Bobby. What is the name of the story?
Little Bobby.
Little Bobby.
So
humor sir, Bobby.
Bobby.
generally we call our kids Sunny, Bobby, isn't it? Bobby, Sunny, like this. They are the nicknames. Especially the name Bobby is used in foreign countries. The foreigners especially call the kids Bobby. Bobby is a wonderful name to them. It gives some information about the name Bobby. Very intelligent, very sharp, and very pretty also. The name itself shows that is very intelligent and very bright and sharp person. So he is not according to name. This Bobby was not according to name very intelligent or very sharp. He was some kind of boy, some type of boy that we will see in the lesson. Just you see. Now you see the picture. Now can you able to see the picture? Now tell me, what do you see? What do you see? Surya, Anil, Kalahasthavadu,
He
Anil.
writing letters, sir.
A boy is sitting, isn't it? A boy is
And writing letters, sir.
and what he is doing? He is writing something.
Writing letters, sir.
Are you sure
Letter,
about
sir. Letter.
Are you sure that he is writing a letter? You don't
Yes,
know.
sir.
Yes sir.
We don't know.
No, sir.
Unless and until you read
Yes.
మనము ఆ యొక్క ఆ లెటర్ చదివితే కానీ తెలియదు మనకు, పాఠం చదివితే కానీ. Isn't it? But imagine and say that he is writing something. Who do you think? Who do you think? Boy. That boy is Bobby. That boy is Bobby. Bobby. He is writing something. And there are some more papers in and around him. Some papers are torn. They are torn papers. You see on the floor. dear something, it is written there. And you see the mood of the boy. Seriously, he is writing, isn't it? And what else do you see? Only Bobby.
Writing.
Oh, anybody on the picture?
Ink bottle. Ink bottle.
Ink bottle is also there. One pipa, small drum made of wood is also.
Dog.
He is taking support. Pen, and he is using pen for writing. No doubt that everyone should
Dog,
have
sir.
pen or pencil. What else? Yes, somebody is saying something. Come on. Who is that? Very good.
Yeah.
Huh? Come on, quick. Identify. The picture. What do you see?
Dog.
Very good. Very good.
Dog.
You also come across. You see the dog also. There is a dog, isn't it? There is also a dog beside him. It is a pet animal. Dog is a pet animal.
Pet animal.
It is his friend. For example, it is his friend also. So now we will come to the lesson, little boy. Now I will read out. Little Bobby came into the kitchen where his mother was making dinner. What is dinner? What is
Night
dinner?
evening, sir.
Yes, night meals. Night meals. Dinner. Huh? Night meals is called dinner.
Dinner.
Morning, breakfast. Afternoon, lunch.
Lunch.
Lunch. And supper also. We call supper. That is dinner, night meals. So little Bobby came into the kitchen where his mother was making dinner. What was mother doing?
Dinner. Making dinner.
Dinner.
Mother is preparing. Whose mother?
Meals.
Bobby's mother.
Bobby's mother.
Whose mother is preparing dinner? Little Bobby's
Bobby's mother.
Little Bobby's mother dinner. When she is preparing dinner, who came to the kitchen?
Bobby.
Bobby.
Is a little Bobby or elder Bobby?
Little Bobby.
You must use little. Little means very small, huh? Not huge.
Little Bobby.
Tall, small boy, little kid. చిన్న పిల్లవాడు. Bobby now came to the kitchen when mother was preparing dinner. His birthday was coming up and he thought this was a good time to tell his mother what he wanted. You also told me now that you are also asking your parents for gifts when you are celebrating your birthdays. Okay. Likewise, Bobby is also having a plan. What was his plan? Thought, idea. He was thinking when to ask. So his birthday was coming very near. Whose birthday? Bobby's birthday.
Little Bobby's birthday.
He is having a thought. What was that thought? He want to ask. He want to ask a question. So when he is having birthday in future, he wanted to ask his mother. So he went to the kitchen. Generally, we also ask our parents when they are in kitchen or doing some work, or when they are laying on the bed during night times, or when they are in happy mood. We will ask some demand. Mommy, this year my birthday is coming. Next week, shall we go to the bazaar and buy a new watch? Or I want a cell phone. This year, mommy, please tell me, daddy, huh, to buy a cell phone. My friends are all having cell phones. I too want, mommy. Please recommend daddy. Like this, isn't it? So he went to the kitchen and asked his mom. Mom is mommy, mother. Mom refers to mother. Whose mother? Little Bobby's mother.
Bobby's
Little
mother.
Bobby.
Little Bobby.
I want a bike for my birthday. Who is asking like this? Little Bobby.
Little Bobby.
I refer
Little Bobby asked
to Bobby. Mommy, I want.
Little Bobby.
I require a bike for my birthday. Birthday is coming this year, next week. Sunday especially. So, please buy me a what? Bike. What is that bike? Maybe cycle or scooter. Okay. You know, you're all riding cycles. Can you ride a cycle?
Yes, sir.
Can you ride a cycle?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
You all ride a cycle. Some of you also ride a
Bikes.
motorbikes also. Okay. Now you see how
Tractor.
they are. Yes, very good. Look at the pictures.
Happy birthday.
Boys.
Cycle.
What do you see?
Pilgrim, sir.
Cycle.
Bicycle.
Himagiri, Devaraj,
Bicycles.
Lokeshu, Gunasekar, Surya. All are you feeling happy to see the cycle? Isn't it?
No, sir.
No, you want bike. Which bike? Hero Honda,
Yes, sir.
Splendor, Luna,
I want car, sir. BMW.
Yamaha, like this now. Yes, isn't it?
Royal Enfield.
When you grow up,
Under Sutton.
yes, when you grow up and when you do some job, you may buy. You may buy scooters. Even when you become an officer, you may buy cars. Isn't it? So, you see, there are so many types of cycles. So, Bobby is a young boy. Bobby is a young boy. So, he is likely to have a cycle. He is likely to have a cycle for his birthday. And the little Bobby was a bit of a troublemaker. What kind of boy was little Bobby? Little Bobby was a bit of troublemaker. What is a troublemaker? A naughty boy, a person who often causes troubles, always gives trouble. He is not obedient to his parents. The family, he is always giving some troubles. He is not a good natured by behavior. What is a behavior? Conduct. You are also studying in this school. When you are leaving after your 10th class, we are giving certificates, study certificate, conduct certificate. That is your behavior. How you behaved in this school during your study. He is a bad boy, he is a good boy, his conduct is good, his conduct is bad, like that, isn't it? We never give bad. We always give satisfactory. తృప్తికరంగా ఉన్నది, పర్వాలేదు పిల్లవాడు అనేది చెప్తాం. బాగా ఉంటే గుడ్ బాయ్, ఈజ్ ఏ గుడ్ బాయ్, we will give a conduct certificate. That shows your behavior, how you are, how your behavior is, like that. Okay. So now this little Bobby was a bit of a troublemaker. What is a troublemaker? Always gives
A person.
some troubles, some problems. గమనుండడు, మాట్లాడుతూ ఉంటాడు, ఏదో ఒకటి అలర్ట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాడు పిల్లవాడు. Such a kind of boy nature was that a boy. He had gotten into trouble at school and at home. You see, he had given troubles not only in the house to the parents, friends, but also he is a troublemaker in the school. In the school also he was a troublemaker. What is a troublemaker? is a nuisance, is a mischievous boy. Bobby's mother asked him if he thought he deserved to get a bike for his birthday. Bobby's mother is now asking him. Him refers to whom? The boy. He's a child. What was his child's name? Bobby.
Little Bobby.
Little Bobby. Now mother is asking, right? నువ్వేమన్నా అది తీసుకోవడానికి నీకు అర్హత ఉందా? Deserve means qualified to have. What is meaning of deserve? Qualified to have. Suppose, for example, I say, if you are asking a Yamaha scooter or Hero Honda scooter, your mother or father, then you are studying 8th class or 9th class, your father or mother says, do you deserve to have it? Your age is not such. When you complete your education after degree, soon after your job, I will buy you a scooter. Then it's okay. Now you are a kid. You are just 15 years old. So don't go for asking such scooters like this. This year, you first learn cycle. Your mother may suggest, father may suggest you. Please take this year cycle and learn to ride a cycle. After completing 20 years or as soon as you get the job, I will buy you a scooter like that. Your mother or father, your uncle may tell you. Okay, in this way, Bobby's mother is asking his child, Bobby, do you deserve to get a bike for this birthday? ఈ బర్త్డేకు నీకు సైకిల్ అవసరమా? సైకిల్ కొనడానికి నీకు అర్హత ఉందా? సైకిల్ తీసుకోవడానికి? In such a way she is asking. Little Bobby, of course, thought he did. So immediately he responded. Who? Little Bobby. Yes, yes. Of course, maybe I may get. I want. So here the conversation is going on between whom? The conversation between mother and little Bobby.
Little Bobby.
Bobby and mother are, when are they now? Where are they now in? They are in the kitchen, isn't it? The conversation is going on in the kitchen.
Kitchen.
Bobby's mother wanted Bobby to reflect on his behavior over the last year and said, reflect means think. What is the meaning of reflect? Just you write down the meanings there for readers. Please take pen or pencil and underline the word which I am pronouncing and giving you that is difficult for you. Please underline that word reflect and write above it. Think. What is the meaning of reflect? Think. Alochinchu. So immediately Bobby's mother is asking his child, hey, Bobby, just you think last year how you were, how you are in the last year. Go to your room. So everyone is now reading rooms. Parents are providing ample opportunities for all the kids because they have to read well and grow well and reach well to the highest levels, isn't it? They want to see their kids, their children in the higher and greater position, so that they are spending lots of money. Even at 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock, whatever you demand, mommy, daddy, I want this and that. Father is going to the bazaar with risk and buying and giving for you. So, such a difficulties parents are facing, and they are providing you some facilities also. Some rooms are there meant for you, study room, isn't it? They are not giving any disturbances. Why? Because you must read well and you must grow well. In the same way, Bobby's mother also asking the child, hey, Go to your study room and think about how you behaved this year. Last year, how your behavior was. Please write it down. So mother is now asking her child about the child's behavior in the last year. How you are. Please write down. Then write a letter to God and tell him why you deserve a bike for your birthday. Huh? Why you are asking bike? Just I have shown you the pictures. Several types of cycles, isn't it? So how far you are deserve to have bike? Just you write a letter to the God. What are the things that you committed? Because he is a naughty boy. వాడు మంచివాడు కాదు, ఇంట్లో అల్లరి చేస్తుంటాడు, చాలా ఇబ్బంది పెడుతుంటాడు తల్లిదండ్రుల్ని. స్కూల్లో కూడా there are so many complaints from the teachers about Bobby. So Bobby, you are not a good boy last year, or you may be good boy. So you write down and get me a letter. Little boy Bobby stumped up the steps to his room. So where was his room? Where was his reading room? It was in the upstairs. It was in the upstairs. Where was it? Upstairs. First word, stumped means walked in a noisy way, in an upset mood. Upset mood. Mood is not good. Disturbed now. He was disturbed very lot because mother may buy or may not buy a bicycle for him as a birthday present. Okay, so he was disturbed now. Okay, so now Bobby is just going to his study room. Up to that I will stop today, boys. Now what you have to do is I will give you one homework. Imagine and think what Bobby might have written in his room. తెలుగులో చెప్తాను, పిల్లలారా జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి. బాబీ మిద్దె పైకి వెళ్ళాడు, వాళ్ళ అమ్మ రాసి తీసుకురమ్మనింది లెటర్. ఏమి రాసి ఉంటాడు అని మీరు అనుకుంటున్నారో అది రేపటికి హోంవర్క్ గా మీరు ఒక పేపర్ లో రాసి నాకు వాట్సాప్ పెట్టండి. ఓకే, this is a homework for you today. Tonight, complete it. One page, book or paper. Write what Bobby has written. Okay. So now I will stop after that, and we will see in the next class. You have two questions, two homeworks. One is from the duck and the kangaroo, and another is from little Bobby. Okay. Now we will stop the session class. Thank you all. Welcome back in the next week. Okay, bye.
Again, ఎక్కడికి వస్తారా?
బాబు ప్రతి ఒక్కరు వీడియో ఆన్ చేసుకోరా. ఈ రోజు కూడా ఇద్దరిని డిలీట్ చేసా. చాట్ పైన ఏంది చెప్తా ఉంటే గీచేది మీరు. క్లాస్ వినండి, నోట్బుక్ పెట్టి సార్ ఏం చెప్తున్నారు, లెసన్ ఏం చెప్తారో రాసుకోండి. ఊరికెందుకు టైం వేస్ట్ చేసుకుంటారు చెప్పండి. ఇంటికాడ ఉండే విద్యావారధి చూస్తున్నారా?
చూసాను సార్.